Today, I am going to eat ramen. So first, this is the noodle. I bought it in supermarket. Let's add some water in it. Let's put it in microwave. We are waiting for the noodles to be cooked at the same time. Let's get some vegetables. Let's add baby corn to the noodles. So let's put it in a bowl. Next, let's put some mushrooms. Let's wash the vegetables. Let's get the waters out. Let's put some water. We got the noodles. Let's get it from the microwave. Let's get the waters out. Let's cook the mushrooms and baby corns. Let's get them out. Let's get the water out. Let's mix them with noodles. Let's put the instant noodles' ingredients into the hot water. And also noodles, spices, ingredients. Let's mix the ingredients. Let's mix them with the noodles and vegetables. We got our ramen soup. Note the voices are used by Google, not me.